Flash flood warning for Southeastern Carroll County in north central Maryland, Northeastern Harford County in central Maryland, Baltimore County in northern Maryland, Harford County in northern Maryland, Baltimore City in northern Maryland until 6:45 p.m. At 3:40 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing torrential rain along a line extending from 13 miles northwest of Jarrettsville to Columbia, moving east at 20 miles per hour. More thunderstorms with very heavy rain stretched from Columbia to Annapolis, moving north at 20 miles per hour. Some locations that will continue to be affected by the heavy rain include Arbutus, Bel Air, Catonsville, Dundalk, Ellicott City, Falston, Fells Point, Rossville, and Baltimore. Rainfall amounts of 1 to 3 inches are expected over the next few areas. With ground saturated from overnight rainfall, this new rain will lead to flash flooding in the warned area. Excessive runoff from heavy rainfall will cause flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage areas and low-lying spots. Most flood deaths occur in automobiles. Never drive your vehicle into areas where the water covers the roadway. Flood waters are usually deeper than they appear. Just 1 foot of flowing water is powerful enough to sweep vehicles off the road. When encountering flooded roads, make the smart choice. Turn around, don't drown.